test. I did go out there and review everybody's test. So, I sent everybody an individual email. So, what I did, and what I'll do is I'll go out there and review my test so I can show you kind of what I did. We all know that I took it and made like really, really bad. So what I did is I went out there and I looked at everybody's test at the same time. And I went through every single question and I looked at what you got right and then I looked at what you put. So what's in the box is what you put. What's in the blue box, what's down here is what you put. What's in the box is what the correct answer is. And if it's a multiple choice, the red is what you put, the green is what it was supposed to be, okay? And if you didn't answer it, it'll say you answered nothing and this is the correct answer. So you can go through, for example, I got that one right because it has nothing in there. So I looked at every single question and I write it down as to what I gave you partial and full credit for. And then I go in there and I say, okay, this is what I think I need to give her credit for. So let's give Ms. Cooper some credit. So now, when you go into your grade book as a student, it'll have a star beside your grade. That means that your teacher physically changed your grade, altered your grade. So it lets me and you both know that your grade's been altered. I did not. So the grade was a 3.3, it's now a 19. So the grade that's out here is the grade that affects your average. And y'all, 1, 2, 3 points, that affects a lot because it's 20% of your grade. Now, if you click on your test, you're still going to see your original grade. I did not mess with your original test. I just messed with the grade that affects your average. So I would still go out there and you can pull this drop down and you can see the ones that you got right and wrong and click on them, or you can go through every question on the test. But again, the blue box is what's right, and if you click on it is what you answered, so that you can see what you got right and what you got wrong. We good? So that's the first thing. I sent y'all all an email about that. Now, let's look at do homework, section 6.2, number 16. We had a question about somebody who wanted us to work this one out. So, okay, I realize you don't want me to do it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Copy and paste. Okay, so this is from our MML homework. Oh, my calibration's off. I'll do that in just a... I'm writing here and it's writing about 6 inches away from me, so give me just a second. MML homework.